Assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G, that's me, the hijabi from TNT, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to be cooking red beans. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make red beans in different ways. A healthier version, the real stew version, and another way that I've seen people do it before. So you guys can get an idea of the different ways, and you can even choose it based on whichever one you want to try out. So the basic ingredients when we're doing red beans, of course, is what I like to use the red beans, the dried ones that require soaking overnight. If you don't have those and you prefer to just use the canned ones, that's totally fine as well. You can go ahead and use the canned red beans, but I just prefer using the dry ones. And in the recipes, I'm going to be using garlic, some herbs. You know, we like in the Caribbean, especially in Trinidad, we like everything with these extra fresh garden herbs. So I'm using parsley. If you have thyme, use thyme. I love using thyme in peas and beans, but I didn't have any today. But normally I would be using thyme. I'll use shadow benny, chop up fresh parsley as well in it. We're going to be using garlic, pimentos, hot pepper, and we're going to be adding tomato, carrot, onions, and sweet pepper in this as well. So we're going to be doing option 1, which is a healthy version, and the way husband would prefer that I make it for him because he's trying to eat a little healthier. So this is just a pretty simple one. So all I'm going to be doing in this one, I'm going to be soaking the red beans, and I'm going to pressure cook it. So I'm going to be adding it to the pressure cooker, and then once it's pressure cooked and once it's nice and soft, I'm going to just simply add in the carrots, the sweet peppers, the onions, the tomatoes, and I'm going to let it cook down. I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup in it as well, and some all-purpose seasoning and some paprika. Gives a nice extra color. And coming down to the end, the last few minutes of cooking, I'm going to add the pimento, the garlic, the herbs, shadow benny, the parsley, the thyme if you have, whatever else herbs, fresh herbs you have. You're going to add it lastly. Now the other option is a stew option, stew version. So you're going to still be pressure cooking the red beans, and once it's tender, you're going to remove it from the pressure cooker, and in a separate pot, you're just going to be adding a little bit of oil, some brown sugar, and once it starts to bubble like a normal stew recipe, you're going to add the red beans to it. Once you add the red beans, then you're going to add the vegetables, so the carrots, the onion, sweet pepper, tomato. You're going to use, now this part is optional. You can add some coconut milk to it if you want, but that's you don't need to. Not everybody adds it, so it's up to you. But if you don't add the coconut milk, go ahead and just add regular water to the pot and let it cook down because it's already cooked. But if you like it even softer, even more tender, just add more water until it's nice and tender to your liking. Now in this version, I'm going to be adding a little bit of ketchup, and I'm going to be adding some golden reef butter as well. So it's a real Caribbean style dish, but not so many healthy ingredients in it, but it's a real true Caribbean taste that you get when you're eating some of these meals. So once you've added ketchup and the golden reef, you're going to add a little bit of the all-purpose seasoning, and you're going to add some paprika in it as well. You can add hot pepper if you want, up to you. If you don't, the pimentos, which are the flavor peppers, should be just fine. So you're going to let them cook down until there's enough sauce in it or gravy in it for you, and the beans are nice and tender. So just to go over it, we've got option 1, which is a basic boil the beans, and you're just going to add all your vegetables and all your fresh herbs and your seasoning, your salt, your pepper, a little bit of ketchup in it. That's a healthy option for you to try out with the red beans. You have option 2, which is the stewing of it. You brown the sugar, let the sugar caramelize. You add your beans, your vegetables, your herbs, your spices, your ketchup, and golden reef butter. If you want to add the golden reef butter, and let it cook down until everything is nicely cooked. The third option would be the same stewing process, but this time you're going to add a little coconut milk to it. So we've got 3 different options, or 3 different ways that I just spoke about that you guys can go ahead and make the red beans. Now you can comment down below and let me know which version you prefer and why, and I actually go with anyone I have. So for example, if I use coconut milk the day before and I have extra coconut milk and I'm making red beans today, I'll just add it in. So it all depends on me, but husband normally prefers that I use or that I cook it in a healthier way. So it's all up to you guys. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You've got 3 different ways to make a red beans. Experiment with it, have fun with it. I hope that you did enjoy the video, and if you did like it, give it a big thumbs up, of course. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button as well. And don't forget to try the red beans. Tell me which one you prefer, option 1, 2, or 3. Let me know, comment down below. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I will see you all in the next video.